Hi, my name's Michael. This is currently the back of my garage right here. A lot of wood. So it started out with wanting to pick up a free playground. Hey, free playground. So it's like, cool, I'll come get it. Well, it was pretty decrepit and most of it still sitting in the backyard. But somebody else had some free wood, barn wood. Now, it wasn't part of a barn. It was just stored in a barn for a long time. So, I mean, that's technically barn wood. What else would it be? So, anyways, it'd be just kind of like rustic or something like that. Farmhouse. But this is the before of my garage here. I'm getting ready to revamp the back of this.